Hey, how's it going? On today's episode, we are working on the Subi, of course. We are going to replace some of the hoses, such as the Y pipe underneath the intercooler. We're going to replace the parent throttle body coupler because that belongs on the other car. And then the last piece is the return valve. I already started unbolting it. Boom, boom, boom. Just trying to get ahead of the game. I'm limited tonight. But let me show you the parts. Rocking that Mishimoto. There's a part number if you need it. But these boys look good. I already took them out of the packages, but here's the return line. Here's the Y pipe. And then here's the new coupler. So we'll see. I think I'm going to try and use some of the old worm clamps because these guys seem kind of big, especially going on the coupler here. If you have two on at the same time, that's a lot of space. I don't know if that'll fit very well for my setup. So we'll see what happens. All right, so I got the intercooler off. This is the OEM pipe here. As you can see, she's a little messed up, I guess. I just had this off last weekend, so about 2 days ago. So I had her all cleaned up, but this guy needs replaced. All right, here's the new guy. This will go on here, be a quick replacement. Oh yeah, look at that oil. That definitely should not be there. All right, here is the new one. It obviously won't fit like OEM, as you can see. I tried pretty hard to get it to line up, but that's as close as I could get it. I don't know if I would have to cut, but these clamps are just really big, so you don't have much room for air because it's up against here, and then you have to worry about the lip for the rest of these clamps. All right, I just got the recirc valve hose off. So here's the new one. Definitely not a perfect match, but we'll make her work. Let's get it. All right. Started to get this on. I decided to keep the parent clamps. Well, there we go. Parent clamps for this guy, just because these are massive and I feel like they'd be a pain. So I'll have to figure out how to make the parent look better and not cover it up with these. And then here's the return line. Boom, boom, boom. Goes back here to the Tomei. Yes, sir. And then out to the Cobb. Or I guess Cobb, Tomei, turbo, intercooler, Mishimoto. Yeah. Okay, we got a fresh gasket here. About to slap it back on. I got this hooked up here. So Mishimoto looking good. And now I need to get that connected, but I'm gonna have to squeeze the return hose. So I'm gonna attach that first because it'll be easier and then get that bad boy on.